Today we are exploring Hūnua Falls, hidden forest trails, stunning viewpoints, and some unforgettable scenery. Stay until the end because I'll show you the best photo spots and tips for visiting this amazing place.
If you love off-grid Charlie adventures, show some love, hit that thumbs up, share the video, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you.
enjoyed exploring this beautiful corner of New Zealand with me. If this video helped you discover a new place or inspired your next adventure, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Off-Grid Charlie for more hidden gems, hiking trails, camping spots, and road trips across New Zealand. I'd love to hear from you. Have you visited Hūnua Falls? Or is there another amazing place you'd like me to explore? Leave your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Stay safe, keep exploring, and enjoy the journey.